Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a soft glam makeup tutorial. So do well to hit the subscribe button to see more of my makeup videos. Give me a big thumbs up. Without ado, let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by using the Pond's Lasting Oil Primer to prep my eyebrows since I produce so much oil in that area. So I do this almost, and I'm using a spoolie to come on my eyebrows. So today to line my brows, I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil. So I'm filling with a soft stroke. Then I'll brush it in with the spoolie. To line my lower brow, I'm using the Eyeshadow Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. So guys, while lining your brow, you should use your concealer on your lower brow. But to line your upper brow, you should use a foundation. It's actually very important, and as a beginner too, because I see lots of beginners using a concealer that is not their skin tone, that is lighter than their skin on their upper brow. So to line my upper brow, I'm using my foundation. As I said, I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Warm Coconut, and I'm using a flat brush, a flat sharp brush while doing this. After that, I blend it out with my middle finger so that when I'm applying foundation later, I won't have difficulty. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm using the Eyeshadow Pro Conceal still, and I'm using blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with this ijele palette by V Beauty, and I'm starting off with that color, and I'm patting it in my outer crease area. I'm taking that as my first transition color, patting in my outer crease area, then blend it in towards my inner corner. So for my second transition color, I'm going for that brown. So I'm taking time to do this. So with that brown, that's for my second transition color, and I'm applying it in a circular motion so that it will all blend in. It will blend in very well. So I'm not actually cutting my crease. I'm not like defining my crease. I'm doing a rough cut crease because I want everything. I didn't want any sharp line, so that is thing. Just doing a messy cut crease, and I'm applying that color on my crease area. So I'm trying to smudge out the line, the cut crease line, so that it will look like the thing is blending, the thing blended in to the other color, because I didn't want any harsh lines. So I'm trying to smudge out the crease area. I went back with that second transition color, trying to cover the line of the crease. So I went back to my first transition color. I'm using it to clean any harsh lines in that angle. I think soft glam means everything should be seamless. So I'm not actually drawing a wing line today. I'm just drawing a little bit so that I'll place my eyelash there. So while my lash glue is setting in, I'm going in with my moisturizer. And guys, I'm always emphasizing, moisturize your face. It's very important, and let the moisture seep in before you start applying any other product. So for my primer today, I'm going in with that Pond's Lasting Oil Primer and applying it to my T-zone area. That is the area I produce much oil, which in my case is all over my face. So after that, I go in with my lashes. Guys, you know I love my falsies. I don't have natural. Look, I have a very little bit of natural lashes, so I have to help myself with the falsies every time. I do this every time, except in some look. So for my foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. So I'm applying this all over my face. I then use my setting spray to spray on my face before I start blending in. Guys, I did this to show, because some people were asking me, if your foundation is too thick, how will you blend it in? So if your foundation is too thick, you apply the foundation all over your face, then you spray in your setting spray, then you start blending in because it will facilitate blending. So you do this if you have a thick foundation and it's difficult to blend. So you should not forget to blend in your neck, guys. No matter how your foundation matches your skin tone, blend it all in. So to highlight, I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. I'm highlighting my under eye, and I'm doing this as I go. I highlight, I blend in. This is also for beginners because some concealers dry up very fast, so it's good, like if you apply, you blend in before the thing will be too difficult for you to blend in. So I'm doing this using a dabbing motion, and I go back in with that same brush. I use the other side I use for foundation. I blend it in so that there will be no harsh line between my foundation and my concealer. So I'm now applying all over on my forehead. I'm blending it in too, and I'm going back and forth with the foundation side and the concealer side since I want a streamless finish. So my cubic bow and my chin too, I blend it, and I'll turn it over and blend it with the other side I use for my foundation, everything. So guys, to set my face and all that good stuff, I'm using the Eyebrow Professional Powder Palette, and I'm putting in my sponge in. I blow out the excess powder, then I pat it into my skin. I don't bake, guys. I think this gives you a fine finish. So I'm highlighting all the places I highlighted. I'm applying powder in all the places I highlighted. So to contour, I'm going in with that shade too from the Eyebrow Professional Palette. This one is color 30. So I'm applying this using a circular motion. So guys, use a circular motion so that there will be no harsh lines between your contour, your concealer. So you use a circular motion so that to all look blended in, to look streamless. So guys, you should not forget to blend in your hairline because you don't want to look like you have a mask on. So to contour my nose, I'm using a smaller brush, and I apply a line. I start below my brow, I draw the line and I blend it downward. I do this for the other side too. Start beneath my brows, draw a line. Guys, we make sure, or you try as much as possible to make this line symmetrical, like to match. It will not look uneven. So after that, I like doing this. I like just baking beneath on my nose only. So I let this sit for some few minutes. Then I use my setting powder to clean it all off. Then I apply it all over my face. Everything looks blended in. So I wanted my face to be snatched today, so I tried doing a reverse contour. Guys, what do you think? Did I nail it or not? Do you think I nailed it or you don't think so? So tell me your thoughts on the comment section. So I went back. I didn't want it to stay too long because blending it out would be a little bit difficult if it stays too long. So I blended it out immediately. Then I went in with a blush. I mixed that two shades because that red is really pigmented, as you can see. So if you're using the Eyebrow Professional Powder Palette, the blush is actually very pigmented. So you go easy on it, guys. Go very easy. But I blended it in. I blended it baby in. So I went in with this, it's not actually white, a beige eyeliner, because I wanted my eye to look very sharp today. I didn't want to use black. I didn't have a brown eyeliner. I could have used that one instead. Then I smudged out my eyes using that first transition color. Smudge it. And guys, you should take your time. If it's difficult, you should take your time doing this. So after that, I set my entire face with the classic mist and fix setting spray. Guys, today I literally bat. When I was saying I bat the last time or the only other time, nah, not as much as this time. I pat in the setting spray, and I didn't use my sponge to pat it in. I let it dry off by itself. So to line my lips, I'm going in with this pencil, Davis number 18. This one is number 18 because it's very close to my skin tone. I use it to line my lips. Then I go in with this nude shade. It's what BB Cosmetics. Yes, that's the name of the lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. Hope I nailed it. Do you think I did or I did not? Share your thoughts on the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe because it does help your girl, support your girl by subscribing. So guys, till the next video, bye bye.